In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable smooth cursor animations in Visual Studio Code for a cleaner, more polished editing experience. If you've ever felt that the cursor jump between characters is a little abrupt or distracting, these settings will make movement and blinking feel much more natural while you write and navigate code. Start by opening the Settings editor. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and comma together. On a Mac, press Command and comma. This brings up the Visual Settings interface, where you can search and tweak preferences without editing any configuration files. At the top, you'll see a search bar designed to help you quickly locate specific options. Click into that search bar and type Cursor Smooth. This narrows the results to the relevant editor settings we want. You'll notice options related to caret animation and blinking appear, which is exactly where we'll make changes. Find the setting called Editor, Cursor Smooth, Caret Animation, and switch it to On. With this enabled, the caret will glide between positions instead of snapping instantly, so moving left and right through text or jumping up and down between lines feels more fluid. You might also see an option labeled Explicit. That version only animates movement when you explicitly place the caret, like when you click with the mouse, and it won't animate while you type. For this tutorial, stick with On so that both keyboard navigation and explicit placements benefit from the smooth motion. Next, look for Editor, Cursor Blinking. By default, the caret uses a simple blink. Change this to either smooth or phase. Both options introduce a soft fade that pairs nicely with the smooth movement you just enabled. Smooth provides a gentle fade in and out, creating a calm rhythm that's easy on the eyes. Phase also fades, but adds a subtle variation in the animation cycle, which some people find even more pleasant. Try one, and if you prefer the other, you can switch instantly. These changes apply right away. After applying both settings, take a moment to test them. Use your arrow keys to move across a line, jump to another line, and type a few characters. You should notice the cursor drifting neatly into place and softly blinking between keystrokes. This refinement can make long editing sessions feel less jarring and can help your eyes track position more comfortably. That's it. With just a couple of quick adjustments, your editing experience in Visual Studio Code should feel smoother, calmer, and a bit more professional. Enjoy the upgrade, and happy coding!